cold girl makeup. I just saw this photo and I love these makeup looks. Got this eyeshadow palette. Just wait. This is perfect. Oh, you guys have to tell me what we should try next. I love doing fun makeup challenges. Prepping my skin with the Rhode glazing milk. Ooh. Play Christmas music. Use a little bit of my milk gel skin tint. Just a little bit. I like to keep the skin very light. I love a natural makeup look. Brushing that across my skin. Beautiful. A dot of the Ghost's color corrector. Just give a little bright under eye like you're in the snow. I'm so excited. Makeup guru it up. Start with this light brown, kind of pink tan. Sweep that as a base color just to give our eyes a little bit of dimension. I want to make it like smoky. A little bit under my eyes too. I'm really gonna take this cool tone brown. Use that as eyeliner. I want it to be smoky. Next, I'm gonna take a purple, smoke it out even more. Mix together these top 3 shimmers. Any light pink shimmery color will work. On the inner part of my eyes, white on the center. Feel like a beauty guru. Frosty pink under the eye. I'm gonna finish up the face. Bronzer, a little on the nose. Start with a red blush. So we get that frostbitten look. Definitely on the nose. We've been out in the cold. I definitely used a lot. Just keep blending. A little bit of baby pink blush on top. Cold frosty look. The perfect winter blush combo. Set with pink powder. Add some glow back to the face. Yeah. Oh my god. For the lips, right in the center. Just right there. Tap it out. Finish with a gloss. This is a clear one. Wing to finish it off. That is the finished I'm Cold makeup. It actually does look very wintry frosty. Let me know what I should next. Love you, Pookies. Mwah.